In many situations in real life, we're going to be seeing a lot of scenarios that involve rates. We need to know how to solve problems that involve rates, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is looking at some worded problems, some real life scenarios where rates are used, and how we're going to solve the problem that we have. Let's do that and go through each one at a time. Pebbles cost $68 per tonne. How much will I pay when I order 16 tonnes? So every tonne costs $68. Write that down first. $68 per 1 tonne. For every tonne that you buy, you're going to pay $68. Now, we are told that the person wants 16 tonnes. So, 16 tonnes, we would like to know the cost. 16 tonnes. From 1 tonne to 16. We know we got to multiply by 16. We're going from 1 tonne and we are ordering 16 tonnes. So 1 times 16 is 16. What we do to one side, we must do to the other side. 68 times 16, let's work it out. $1,088. 16 tonnes of pebbles is going to cost $1,088. Pretty simple. Very important to change the worded problem into mathematics and then solve it like we normally do mathematically. Let's do 2 more examples. The next example says, a laser printer prints 70 pages per minute. How many pages will be printed in 2 hours? So we know the rate is that it's 70 pages, P for pages, per minute. We would like to know in 2 hours, how many pages will that be? Okay, 70 pages per minute. We would like to go from 70 pages per minute. How many pages in 2 hours? Well, we know that how many minutes are in 2 hours. How many minutes are there in 2 hours? We should know that there are 120 minutes in 2 hours because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. We want 2 hours, 60 and 60 make 120. So times 120, and on this side, times 120. 70 times 120 minutes, 8,400 pages will be printed in 2 hours. So this printer is capable of printing 8,400 pages per 2 hours. It's equivalent to 70 pages per minute. Last example. I was told 60 bricks cover 1 square meter. How many square meters will 4,800 bricks cover? Now we need to take the rate out. Write down the information mathematically, take it out of the worded problem and put it in maths first and then solve it straight away. 60 bricks, B for bricks, per 1 square meter. This is our rate sign, so 60 bricks per 1 square meter. We need to know how many square meters will 4,800 bricks cover. So 4,800 bricks, how many square meters will that be? We know that we're going from 60 bricks to 4,800 bricks. 60 going up to 4,800. 60 times what will make 4,800? Grab your calculator if you need to. 60 times 80 makes 4,800. 6 times 8 is 48, and the 2 zeros, they just come down. So 60 times 80. We times 80 on this side. 1 times 80, 80 square meters. So 4,800 bricks cover 80 square meters. It's very important to realize that when we take out the information from the worded problem, it becomes too easy to solve. we just follow our maths concepts one by one. We follow step by step. But the trick is, I've found many students find this hard to actually take out the information and put it into mathematics. That's a skill you're going to learn and you need to master. Very important to read and comprehend the question carefully, write it in a rate format, in this case here, and work down mathematically, and we find that 80 square meters is our answer. 4,800 bricks will cover 80 square meters.